Okay, Josh, I want you to open up this, what is this here anyway? Kool-Aid. Okay, would you open up and dump it all in this little dish for me? And while you're doing that, I'm going to put regular water in here. Make a big enough hole in the package. And we're going to put some water in this one. You got it. Alrighty. Now, let me get this out of your way for a second. This is water I took out of the faucet. Okay? This is empty. This one, we got to put some ice cubes in it. I'm going to put the ice cubes in here. Go ahead and grab 2 ice cubes. Should do it. Put it in there. Go ahead, put some more in. We might as well. Yeah, that'd be fine. Okay. This is going to be hot or cold? Cold. And this is right out of the faucet. Now we have to have some hot water. So I've been cooking some hot water back here. Here, I'll put it in. The pot's heavy. That's hot water. Not too hot, is it? Yeah. All right. Here is the science idea. Now, as soon as this gets cooled down a little bit, I'm going to take, yeah, go ahead. I'm going to take the ice cubes out of here. You can do what I'm doing. Go ahead, stick your finger in there. You know what? Yeah, do that. Is it cold? Okay, that's great. Let me get some of the ice cubes out. I'll leave one in there just to keep it cold. All right, here's what we're going to do. Yes, we're going to what they call pinch. You want to pinch the Kool-Aid. Not yet, not yet. And I want you to put a little bit in here. Come back and pinch. Put some in here and pinch and put some in here. All right, now we got to make sure these glasses are close enough together. Let me get this ice cube out of here. Okay, go ahead. Reach your finger in there. Give me a pinch and sprinkle it in the glass. Okay, look, see what it does? It falls right down. Okay, let me move these together a little better. Yeah, okay, pinch some more and throw it in the next glass. That's the one that's cold. Look at that. It's different. It fell all the way to the bottom. Okay, now take a pinch of Kool-Aid and throw it in the hot water glass. Get this out of your way. Look at the difference. Boy, you can sure see the other colors. 2 colors. The warmer the water, the better it mixes. This is the coldest, so we're going to move it around. And this was out of the faucet. And this is the coldest. So the cold water, it doesn't mix very well. The water from the faucet, it's mixed, but it's sitting on the bottom. But this did the best because the water is warm. Could you feel that inside of the glass? It's kind of warm, isn't it? Ouch. Okay. So this is why people cook, because you've got to get the food mixed up. See, if you use it just cold, or water from the faucet, it's going to sit there and it's not going to mix up. So you have to have water hot to do a lot of your cooking, just to make sure that all the chemicals and all the food things mix together. Got the idea? Okay, that was easy enough, wasn't it?
It's got 5.
Oh, no, it isn't. That's a 3. Josh wants to check out those. See, that's a 3. Here's the 5. All right, come on back here. Let me get this. Yeah. Yeah, that's right. Let me dump these. When the big hand is on the 5, I would like for you to go to the freezer and get the ice pop. But not yet. It's not time yet. They won't be froze yet. All right, come on back. I want to give you another piece of wax paper. This is what this package says. It's sour ball candies. Now we need to pick a color. We need about 4. 4 of the same color. That's the one you want? Okay. 1, 2, 3. Would you unwrap them for me? 4. And a good cook, just in case. one to grow on. While you're doing that, I have rinsed out the glasses. I'm going to put water back in those same glasses we had before. Now we're going to make sure you don't eat this candy, because wait till you see what we do to it. You're not going to want to eat it. Yeah, but you're not going to eat it after we get done with it. Okay, I showed you that when you're in cooking, you got to make sure that the water is hot on many things to cook with. In fact, when you make iced tea, if it's hot and you throw in your sugar, it'll stir in real nice. But if you put in the sugar when it's iced tea, well, then again, that's probably why you like it. You like to always eat the ice, excuse me, the sugar off the bottom of the iced tea. You're doing great. Okay, now we'll try to be a little neat. You need a towel to wipe your fingers off? You have some nice Kool-Aid on your finger? I thought I saw some Kool-Aid. Yeah.
It won't come off.
It won't come off? Oh, no. You're going to be a Kool-Aid kid all your life. Okay, now, I'll take that. I got a great kitchen tool here, Josh. Yeah. Guess what I want you to do? Yeah. I want you to hammer the candy. Hit it. Hit it. That's good. Hit it again. One more time right there. Okay, it looks good. Well, look what you did to it. You broke it. No, you didn't. Okay, we've got broken pieces of candy, right? Okay. Let me put that aside just for a minute. We're going to do it again. And this time I want you to mash it up even more. Here's this. Here's that. I always do it with the wax paper for two reasons, Josh. The candy won't stick to the wax paper, and also it keeps them going all over the kitchen when you smash it. Go ahead. No, keep going. That's a hole. I like that idea. Did you see what he did there? He tapped it to find it, and then he hit it. Keep going. Oops. I'll put them back in. See why we can't eat these? Okay. You're doing great. Chase them. That's it. Let's take a look. Okay, we got some little pieces. All right, we'll put this down. Now, got a question for you, Josh. Got a question for you. We're going to put this in one glass. We're going to put this one in the other glass. Not yet. And then we're going to put this one in the other glass. Which one do you think will make the water turn a different color fastest? This whole piece, chunks, or the little fine stuff? Which one will turn? Why do you know that? That's true. How come you know that? Because what? Because they're smaller. Okay, there's one glass. Two glasses. Let's get all three glasses in the picture. Okay, Josh, take one candy and drop it in the glass. Bloop. All right. Yeah, now take big chunks. Find the chunks and put them in the second glass. Yeah, that's good. No, right here, this one. It's okay, right here. All right, let's get some more chunks. Go ahead and get some more. Same glass. Okay? Now what's going to go in the last glass? No, itty bitty pieces. Oh no. It's like the, remember the Kool-Aid? You had to pinch it? Okay, go for the itty bitty little pieces. This one? Yeah, that goes in here. You see how I had two left over. Okay. Is that going to fit in here? Yeah. Would you stir that? What's the matter? It's not mixing? Too big. I like that idea. Okay, try the next one. Mix the next one. Put your arm over here so we can see what's going on. Okay. Okay, there you go. All right. Okay, go to the next glass. This one out here. Mix it. Okay. We're going to let it set for a little while. And what's going to happen is that these itty little pieces, did you notice they're missing? They disappeared. They didn't fall out of the glass. We had some water come out, but they didn't fall out of the glass. They mixed with the water. The big chunks didn't mix very good. And this real big old chunk, nothing, huh? Okay, the glasses are clean. The spoon is clean. Would you like to sip any one of those and try one? You want to drink just a little bit of that and tell me if you can taste the flavor. You want to try that? You try and I'll try it if you want. Here, try each one. Sip from each one. Tell me which one tastes the best. You want to try that? Pick up the glass and taste it. Drink it. No? Want me to do it? Tastes like water. This one? There's a little bit of flavor there. And this one? Tastes better. Of course, we don't have taste vision. So this is just something you need to know about cooking. You see, Josh, if you don't smash up certain foods or buy them already smashed, they won't cook properly. They won't mix properly. So a lot of things in science and cooking, you have to either add hot water or you have to chunk it, break it up in little pieces. Why do you think when you buy sugar, it comes in little powder like that? So to mix better.